Hey, so this app called Ripl caught my eye, and it's like I like it, but I don't like it. So it has some nice features. Basically, make this image, nice little animation, very easy to make. But it's a $10 subscription service, and it's ridiculous in my opinion. They are wanting to be Hootsuite, I guess, or other planned scheduled posts and stuff. And I don't want to schedule posts. Sure, maybe I could see the convenience of doing it, scheduling posts for all these different things once a month or something, but it's just, I'd rather just have this because Instagram kind of forces me to do all these different editing and different commenting. Like I have to comment within an hour in order to get my engagement up, unless they recently changed that algorithm again, which, hey, that's a possibility too. But the bottom line is annoying, and then it's not going to be worth it for me for $10 a month, man. So they do have nice, easy presets. Some of them are nicer than others. And yeah, it's not going to be $10 a month of improvements for what I'm actually looking for, guys. So, this is the Ripple app. Maybe it could help for you. Maybe. Just not me, guys.